Of the 9,000 candidates who registered for an exam, only 80% of these appeared. Of these, 4% candidates were disqualified for lack of proper ID. Of the rest, only 25% passed. Find the number of candidates who passed. So 9,000 candidates registered. So let's write down how many registered. So that comes to, the registered comes to 9,000. Now, only 80% appeared. So now appeared will be 80% of 9,000. 80% of 9,000 appeared. So that comes to 7,200. Of these, 4% candidates were disqualified. So disqualified is what? Disqualified is 4%. So 4% of 7,200 to 88. Okay. So now how are the rest who are left? Rest will be 7,200 minus 288, that is 6,912, and pass will be, the ones who pass will be 25%. 25% of 6,912, that is 1 by 4 of 6,912, that is 1,728. So these are the candidates who pass. Basically, we first find out the candidates were registered. It was given to us. Then it was said 80% of them appeared. So 80% of 9,000 was 7,200. Of this, the disqualified candidates were 4%. 4 by 100 of 7,200. That comes to 288. So the rest would be 7,200 minus 288, which is 6,912. And from 6,912, only 25% passed. That is 178 passed. This solves the problem.